Today I'm going to tell you about 10 situations where if you learn to stay silent, your entire life will change. Listen carefully, because these lessons have the power to transform your life. Number 1. When you are angry, stay silent. Please, when you feel angry, just stay quiet for a while. Anger is a poison that can ruin your entire life. When people are angry, they think less and speak more. Because of this, relationships break, opportunities slip away, and words are spoken that lead to lifelong regrets. Now imagine this. In a moment of anger, you say something hurtful to a loved one. Later you realize the situation wasn't as serious as you made it, but the damage is done. The words you spoke cannot be taken back. Even if the person forgives you, your image is forever affected. Anger is temporary, but its words leave a permanent mark. That's why when anger reaches its peak, staying silent is the greatest strength. The next time you feel like exploding, do one thing: stay silent for 10 seconds, take a deep breath, calm yourself, and ask, is this fight really necessary? Remember, the person who can control their anger and stay silent can win any battle in life. Number 2. When someone is provoking you, stay silent. There are people in this world who will deliberately provoke you, try to make you angry, and pull you into unnecessary conflicts. If you react, you fall into their trap. Imagine this. Someone keeps insulting you, trying to put you down, and suddenly you lose your temper. You yell, say something you shouldn't have, and now, instead of them, you look like the bad guy. People start judging you, calling you short-tempered and foolish. That was their plan, and you fell for it. But wise people don't fall into such traps. When someone tries to provoke you, the best response is silence. Just smile and walk away, because the one who can make you angry controls you. Be smart, not foolish. Your silence will be your greatest strength, and that will be the biggest response to your enemies. Number 3. When your success speaks for itself, stay silent. Some people have a habit of announcing every small achievement, thinking it's necessary to let the world know. But true winners work quietly and let their success speak for itself. Now imagine, you start a new business, set a big goal, and tell everyone. What happens next? Some people will appreciate you, but most will try to pull you down. Oh, he won't succeed, he'll fail soon. It's not possible for him. These words will create doubts in your mind, weaken your confidence, and make you hesitate. That's why, until your work is complete, stay silent. The biggest noise success makes is results. When you achieve something big, people will automatically notice, and you won't have to say a word. Number 4. When no one understands you, stay silent. Not everyone in this world will understand your vision. No matter how hard you try to explain, people will see things from their own perspective. Now think, you share your dreams with family or friends, and their first reaction is, don't do it, you'll fail. Why are you doing this? Try something else. They will judge your dreams based on their own experiences, not your potential. If you keep arguing, they will try harder to stop you. So what should you do? Just stay silent and keep working. When your results are in front of them, you won't need to explain anything. Those who once doubted you will be the first to praise you. Number 5. When an argument is useless, stay silent. Everyone has their own opinions, and many people believe their opinion is the only truth. If you argue with such people, you waste your time and energy. Now imagine, you're arguing with someone who is not interested in understanding, only in proving themselves right. No matter how logical your points are, they won't listen. In the end, you'll be exhausted, frustrated, and they will remain unchanged. Wise people avoid unnecessary debates because they focus on winning in life, not just in arguments. Sometimes, silence is the best response. When someone tries to drag you into a pointless debate, just smile and walk away. Number 6. When someone asks about your weakness, stay silent. Not everyone in this world wants the best for you. Some people pretend to care, but are actually looking for ways to use your weaknesses against you. Now think, you trust someone and share your biggest weakness with them, believing they will understand and support you. But what happens? That person uses your weakness against you at the right moment. They have found your most vulnerable point, and now they can attack whenever they want. That's why never reveal your weakness. If someone keeps asking, just smile and say, I don't have any. Show the world your strengths, not your weaknesses. Number 7. When you believe in yourself, stay silent asterisk. You don't need to justify your actions to everyone. If you truly believe in your dreams and abilities, you don't have to explain yourself. Now imagine, you make a bold decision, and the moment you tell people, you get two kinds of reactions. Some will mock you, you can't do this, while others will try to scare you, it's too risky, what if you fail? Now you have two choices. Either spend time explaining yourself, or stay silent and focus on your work. The world only respects results. Once you succeed, the same people who doubted you will praise you. So choose. Justify yourself or silently create your success story. Number 8. When you are working on a big dream, stay silent. People with big dreams must learn to stay silent. There are many people in this world who will discourage you rather than support you. Now think. You share your dreams with others, and instead of encouragement, you hear, "It's too hard, give up," or "You'll fail, don't take the risk." Some will even secretly hope you fail. That's why keep your dreams to yourself until they become reality. Work quietly and let your achievements do the talking. Number 9. When people talk bad about you, stay silent. If people are talking about you, it means you are doing something significant. No one talks about those who are insignificant. Now imagine, you achieve something big, and suddenly people start saying, "He got lucky. He must have cheated. He won't last long." You now have two choices: waste your energy responding to them, or stay silent and keep moving forward. The more successful you become, the more criticism you will face. Ignore them and focus on your journey. Your success will be the ultimate response. Hash, hash, hash. Number 10. When life is against you, stay silent. Every person faces times when nothing seems to work. You put in effort, but results don't show. Everything seems to be going wrong. Now imagine. You work hard for an exam but don't pass, start a business but don't see profits, or try to fix a relationship but fail. Many people give up at this stage. But remember, the darkest hour comes just before dawn. If you stay patient and keep working, these struggles will make you stronger. Tough times don't last forever, but tough people do. When times are hard, don't panic, stay silent, keep working.